Hello everyone. So now let's talk about test of magnetism. See, how do we know that any substance or any piece uh, which we have is magnet or not? All right. So what can be done is we can test whether that substance is magnet or not, or if it has magnetism. If we take this piece, okay, it's a magnet. We know that. Now, if we take this key near to this magnet, this will get attached to it because this is a magnet. And if this safety pin, if this pin we take near this key, then in fact this safety pin would also get attached to this key. Now why so? Why this is getting attached here, or why this is getting attracted to this key? Because this key is not a magnet, but the reason behind it is when we take this key closer to this magnet would pass its magnetism to this key. And for that particular time of period of time, till which this key is attached to this magnet, this key would also act like a magnet. And this is the reason why this pin would get attracted to the key. But just because the safety pin is getting attracted to the key, that doesn't mean that this key is a magnet. All right? So we can say that attraction is not the surest test of magnetism. Well, if not attraction is the sure test of magnetism, then what can be done? Right? Because if we remove this key from the magnet, then this key would, this safety pin also would get detached from this key because it will lose its magnetism. Right? So we can say that just by attraction, we cannot say that a particular substance is a magnet or a particular substance has magnetism in it. All right? Let's look at this in a different way. So one thing, now we know that attraction is not a sure test for the magnetism. All right? Now, see, if you take a pole of magnet, bring this pole of magnet close to the end of a metal bar. So take a metal bar and bring one pole of a magnet close to that metal bar, and one at a time, okay? Means first one end and then next time the other end. All right? Then if one end is attracted and the other end is repelled, then we can say that metal bar is a magnet. So just by attraction, we cannot say that a particular substance is a magnet or the particular substance has a magnetism in it. But by repulsion, we can say that whether a particular substance has magnetism in it or not. So if both ends are attracted, the metal bar is not a magnet. But if one of the end is repelled, then we can say that, okay, it is a magnet. And with this, we can come to the conclusion that repulsion is a sure test of magnetism and not attraction. This is very important feature, and this can be asked in give reason also. All right? So remember this. So हमने क्या देखा? हम बात कर रहे हैं टेस्ट ऑफ मैग्नेटिज्म की. हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि कोई पर्टिकुलर सब्सटेंस में मैग्नेट है या नहीं? तो उसके लिए हम एक एक्टिविटी करेंगे. हम एक मैग्नेट लेंगे, ये जो की है, आयन की है, उसको हम उसके नज़दीक लाएंगे तो ये जो की है वो इससे अट्रैक्ट हो जाएगी. फिर ये एक सेफ्टी पिन लेंगे, वो हम इस की के नज़दीक लाएंगे तो आप देखोगे कि ये सेफ्टी पिन भी की को अट्रैक्ट हो जाती है. बट जस्ट क्योंकि ये सेफ्टी पिन इसको अट्रैक्ट हो गई, क्या हम ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि ये जो की है वो मैग्नेट है? ऑफ कोर्स नॉट, बिकॉज जब हम की को दूर करते हैं मैग्नेट से तो ये जो की है वो अपना मैग्नेटिज्म लूज कर देती है, और ये जब अपना मैग्नेटिज्म लूज करेगी तो सेफ्टी पिन भी यहां से निकल जाएगी, मतलब वो अट्रैक्ट नहीं कर पाएगी अभी, right? Means the key would no longer be able to attract the safety pin because it has lost its magnetism. So इस वजह से हम कह सकते हैं कि सिर्फ कोई दो चीज अट्रैक्ट होती है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि कोई ये जो है पर्टिकुलर सब्सटेंस जिसको हम मैग्नेट के लिए टेस्ट कर रहे हैं उसमें मैग्नेटिज्म है। तो अगर अट्रैक्शन प्योर अच्छा टेस्ट नहीं है तो कौन सा श्योर टेस्ट है? ऑफ कोर्स रिपल्शन, क्योंकि जब रिपल्शन होता है तो तभी रिपल्शन होता है जब उसके दो सेम एंड साथ में होते हैं। तो उससे हम कह सकते हैं कि मैग्नेटिज्म को टेस्ट करने का रिपल्शन एक श्योर टेस्ट है, मतलब अट्रैक्शन श्योर टेस्ट नहीं है। ऑलराइट,